Hello everyone, my name is Pulkit Gupta and today we are going to study about nerve supply of scalp. So without wasting time, let's get started. So our today's topic is nerve supply of scalp. So in nerve supply of scalp, basically two types of nerve supply are present. That is sensory supply and motor supply. So in sensory supply, basically eight sensory nerves present, and four present in front of auricle, and the next four present behind the auricle. So basically these four which are present front of auricle are basically derived from derived from trigeminal nerve, and these which are present behind the auricle are derived from C2 and C3 cervical nerve. So now after this we'll see this nerves through a diagram. So the nerves present, for that we'll draw a simple diagram. So this is we have drawn a skull. On both the side auricle present, so creating one line in between. So now as I have told you that four nerves present in front and four present behind the auricle. So the first one is supratrochlear. And the second one is supraorbital. So this is supraorbital. Two branches. This is supraorbital. Then since in this region zygomatic arch present and also temporal bone, so one nerve is zygomatico-temporal nerve present, and one nerve present is since there is temporal and also auricle present, so auricotemporal nerve. Auricle and temporal, that is auricle. So now I will write the names. This one is supraorbital, sorry, supratrochlear. This one is supraorbital. Then this is zygomatico-temporal nerve, and this one is, as you can see, present above auricle and also temporal, so auricotemporal nerve. So these four are derived from trigeminal, as I have told you that from the front of auricle. Now we will see the nerves present behind the auricle. So four nerves present behind the auricle. The first one is present behind the auricle since present, so this is called greater auricular nerve. This nerve is greater auricular nerve, and since this region of the skull, if we are watching from the above, so this basically bone is occipital bone. So there are three nerves for the occipital bone. This is small, so lesser occipital. This one long nerve. This is greater occipital, and one is third occipital nerve. That is third occipital. So now I will write the names. This is greater auricular nerve. then this is small, so lesser occipital nerve, lesser occipital nerve. This one is, you can see, this one is greater occipital nerve, and this one will be, what will be the name of this one? Will be third occipital nerve. So these are the basically sensory supply. These four behind the auricle are derived from C2 and C3, and now we will see the motor supply of the scalp. So in motor supply of the scalp, basically one present front of auricle, and one present behind the auricle, So these nerve, basically these both the nerves, what I have to tell you, that these both the nerves are derived from facial nerve, So for that also we'll draw a simple diagram. We just need to draw the skull, then the auricles. This is, you can draw it basically in this region, aponeurosis, epicranial aponeurosis present, and the frontal and the occipital valleys of the occipitofrontalis. So in this region, frontal valley of occipital, you can see, and in the lower region, this is the occipital valley present. So now we'll see. So as I have told you, one present front of auricle and derived from facial nerve, and one present behind. So one present in front of auricle is the temporal branch. This is a nerve. This is temporal branch of facial nerve. Similarly present on this side also. This is temporal branch of facial nerve present on the both the side. So this one is temporal branch of facial nerve, and one present behind the auricle. This nerve is the, since present on the behind the auricle, so we are calling it posterior auricular branch of facial nerve, present on the both the sides. So this is posterior, we can see, this is posterior auricular. So the name of the nerve is posterior auricular branch of facial nerve. So these all are the nerves of the scalp. We have seen the sensory supply, motor supply in front of auricle derived from facial nerve, temporal branch of facial nerve, and posterior auricular branch of facial nerve, and 8 nerves from the sensory supply. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. This side Pulkit Gupta signing out. Thank you guys.